Well, hello there, Speedy and Spooky. Yep, it was chilly last night, wasn't it? Was it chilly? Surely was. But y'all were all warm and safe inside with me and Gracie. Yep, we didn't see Elrod, and Cleo's down at the neighbor's. Yep. But here's you some lunch. Got your lunch ready, okay? Now I gotta go in and get some feed for the little feathered friends, okay? Okie doke. Oh, there's Cleo. Well, hello, Miss Cleo. So glad you could show up. Yeah. Good morning, or I guess good afternoon now. So there's the three kitties. Gobbling up there, kicking caboodle. They love it a lot. And then I do want to thank Hawkeye again. Because of him, that's why they're enjoying it. So like I said, it may be sunny and bright now, and it surely is. It's a beautiful day. But when we woke up this morning, it was 28 degrees. It was frosty here in the deep south, finally. It's sort of shocking to go from 82 to 28. But that's the way the weather is nowadays. That's the way we ended 2021 and how we began 2022. So, we got some bird seed here. And now we gotta fix up our feathered friends. I think it's really important that you take care of them once the weather turns cold. Some people say you shouldn't. Others, you know, like me and so many of y'all, we feed the birds. We take care of them during the winter months. And you can see they've done picked the feeders clean. They surely have. So, y'all, we'll set y'all over there. Let me get these filled up real quick, okay? It is chilly. There we go, birds. Come on. We got them all filled up for you again. And you're ready to feast, okay? So they're all filled up again. Fantastic. They'll be coming. They're watching. Well, hello there, friends and family. As you can see, we're out feeding the kitties, feeding the birds. After a chilly morning this morning. Surely we are. And it's still chilly. Yeah, for the deep south. We're 49. And I wanted to come out and see if the frost was enough to cause any damage. And it does appear it is, so I will have to get a bag, start picking off some fruit, because it does appear that the tomatoes did make the trip. Now, as you can see here on this volunteer that came up, it's pretty much now toast. The frost got her. That's okay. We'll come back, pick off the green tomatoes. Looks like we got 4 there left. I'd picked off some already. And we'll bring them on in the house. They'll be fine. They didn't freeze. But the plant got bit, and it's done. Here on January the 4th, 2022. Which to me is still incredible that we made it this far. Now we need to go over and check the side garden bed there on the south side of the house beside the driveway and see how that looks. So you're going to see it as I see it, because I haven't checked yet. Cleo, are you here with me, baby? You are. You're my girl. Yep. You Papa's girl? Yes, you are. So you can see, Cleo's with me. So we're going to head around and check and see what the side driveway garden bed looks like. Because, like I said, we haven't checked it yet. And then one day I got to get out here and pick up sticks and some small limbs that the storms all blew down, as you all saw. Wasn't much, but we still got to get her done. Well, it does look like even this bed, tomatoes are finished. But we got a few red ripe ones, green ones. We'll have to go in, like I say, get that bag and get to picking these all off. I think they'll be fine. Surely they will. Kitty's been playing with the string, and you can see these are all bit back by the frost too. I do believe the tomatoes will be fine, or so is that's my experience from times in the past. Frost bites the plant back, but the tomatoes will still be fine. So we're going to be having some fried green tomatoes. Yes, we are. We got many of them. They're a lot easier to see now once the frost killed everything back. We even got some nice ripe ones here. And another one starting to ripen up over there. Same way with the peppers. They weren't quite ripened yet, but they too are toast. So we'll get them picked off. So it's looking like we're going to be having some nice fresh green red bell peppers and tomatoes over the next couple of days. So finally, here in the deep south, gardening has come to an end. It's been a long time coming. I know it's been an end for many of y'all throughout the country and other countries for a while now. What'd you say, Spooky? Speedy! So y'all, I just wanted to come out feed the kitties, feed my feathered friends, check on the damage from the frost. I really didn't think it was going to get down enough to hurt them, but as you can see, it did. But I'd still think the tomatoes and the bell peppers, since it wasn't that cold for that long, I don't think they totally froze. So I think they'll be fine. So I'll go in, get a bag, I'll pick them off, bring them on inside, and we'll see. I may be making something tonight I wasn't expecting. Because if they are a little bit frost damaged, now's the time to cook them up so they won't go to waste. Always remember that. Sort of like using frozen peppers and tomatoes out of your freezer. I freeze both peppers and tomatoes. And then you can use them in sauces, sautés, or whatever. So there's not going to be a whole lot lost. I was hoping they'd come through, because this was supposed to be the coldest morning for the next week or two. But apparently it got colder than I thought. Spooky, you enjoying the sunshine, aren't you? And so is the queen, Miss Cleo. Yep. We called for you last night to bring you inside, but you didn't answer. Did you? I think you were in your other home. Yeah, I do believe they bring Cleo in at night. Now when they're at work and school, she's down here with me. And my buddy, big buddy Spooky. And Speedy, which is right there. Speedy, you want to play with your mouse? Speedy. There's your mouse. Gotta get it. Attack it. Maybe a little bit later, I'll tie it to some fishing line and play with y'all. What y'all think? Y'all do enjoy that. What I call fishing for kiddies. So y'all, just a little short video today. How we fared from 80s to into 20s. And as you can see, it's ending gardening season for us. But there's always hopes for spring, right? And I'm looking forward to that too. We'll be planting a little bit more than we did this year. I'm not sure it's going to be a tremendous amount more, but it's going to be some. And I'll be sharing that all with you, especially when there's points of learning or information that I can pass on to all of y'all. So my nose is running and all that. Need to get on in. I got to start cooking up something for this evening. And I believe I'll share that with all of y'all. It's been a while since we've done a cooking video. I got several in the computer that I need to finish up so I can share with you. Just a hint, we've been eating a lot of chicken. The kiddies love it. They all do. And I love it too. So until old Mr. Tom, Gracie, which is inside by the fireplace, Spooky, Speedy, Cleo, and somewhere out there, Elrod, Magoo, Mr. Gray, and oh, not sure if we'll call him Garfield or Heathcliff. One of y'all suggested Heathcliff for the yellow and white tabby. And that might seem appropriate too. But anyway, to all of us, see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care. Stay safe, stay warm. And may God bless each and every one of you as you bless others. Goodbye for now. Yep, time to get on in. It's chilly, guys. It's not gonna get as cold tonight. But like always, you let me know. If you want to come in, you can come on in, me and Gracie, and sit beside the fireplace. Right, Speedy? That be okay with you too, Spooky? Now, Cleo, she'll probably go up, go in with her other family. You're a mess, Cleo. Well, that's Spooky. So that's Cleo. Oh, got to get another collar on Spooky. Yes, I do. Later, all.